O2O Platform is your digital business partner. Exhibition, trade show, and conference industry are changing rapidly with the internet, e-commerce, and social media growth. Both exhibitors and visitors are demanding digital-first approach, combined with traditional trade show experience. Egy Beauty Expo O2O Platform provide the missing link between online to offline engagement in the exhibitions industry. Once a visitor registers, multifunction exhibition interaction management dashboard allows them to browse through the exhibitor's profile, set up and manage meetings, inquire about products, and place orders before the event. For exhibitors, end-to-end platform to manage visitors' interaction and marketing with options to browse visitors' profile, to decide who are the most potential visitors and set up meeting, connect or communicate with them in the simplest way and at least time in all exhibition segments. Egy Beauty Expo O2O Platform is a new electronic platform to serve exhibitors, trade visitors, and buyers all over the world. Hurry up, subscribe now, and enjoy 365 days of meetings and commercial deals. Please register now. www.b2begybeautyexpo.com